Hi students, welcome to Sri Chaitanya E-Classes program. Welcome to our Maths B class. Okay students, yesterday we discussed some example problems. Example page number 183, example 1, example 2 completed. Okay, now open the textbooks. All of you open the Maths B textbook. In this textbook, yesterday we discussed in the page number 183, example 1, 2 completed. Okay. Now today open the page number 184. Hello students, all of you open the page number 184. Now write example 5. Write example 5. I will read the problem. Evaluate integral of x plus 1 by x whole cube. X plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. Hello students, once you read the problem, all of you open the page number 184. Yes or no? In that page number, example 5. Okay, right. What here? Page number 184. Which problem? Example 5. Example 5. Integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. Evaluate integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. All of you write down example 5. Right, see how it is. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the given integral? Given integral is x plus 1 by x whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now by using this formula, expand x plus 1 by x whole cube. It can be written as integration of a cube. Here in place of a, what is there? X. In place of b, what is there? 1 by x. A cube means x cube plus 3 into a square. A means x, x square into b. B means 1 by x plus 3 into a x b. B square. Here b is what? 1 by x. 1 by x whole square. 1 by x square plus b cube. 1 by x whole cube. 1 by x whole cube is what? 1 by x cube whole dx. That is integration of x cube plus here 1x, x cancel. Here what is there? 3 into x plus here also 1x, x cancel here. That is 3 by x plus 1 by x cube into dx. Now write the separate integration for each term. Write the integration for the each term. It becomes integration of x cube into dx plus integration of 3x dx plus integration of 3 by x dx plus integration of 1 by x cube into dx. Now integration. Integrate the each term here. integration of x cube, how it is? It is in the form of x power n. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In place of n, what is there? 3. Therefore its integration becomes what? X power 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 4 plus 3 is a constant, writes outside, 3 into x dx plus here also 3 constant, send outside, 3 into integration of 1 by x dx. Here 1 by x cube can be written as x power minus 3 into dx. Now it is x power 4 by 4 plus 3 of x power, what is there? 1. X power 1 means n equal to 1. Now substitute in the integration of x power n formula, what here? N equal to 1. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1. X power 1 plus 1, x square divided by 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3 into integration of 1 by x. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log mod x plus it is also in the form of x power n, but here n equal to how much here? Minus 3. Substitute in the formula of x power n, that is x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c, that is x power 4 divided by 4 plus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 log mod x. Here minus 3 plus 1 is how much? Minus 2. Here x power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 x square plus c. This is the integration of what? X plus 1 by x whole cube. First of all, we have to expand the x plus 1 by x whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube, and integrate the each term here. Integrate the what? Each term. That means separate all the terms and integrate. Then we get the, here what is the answer? X power 4 by 4 plus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 log mod x minus 1 by 2 x square plus c. This is the example 5. Now students, note down. Okay, completed students? Completed? Completed? Okay. Next, next one is, now students, exercise 6A, page number 185, exercise 6A, exercise 6A. Exercise 6A, Roman number 1. Roman number 1. Evaluate the following integrals. Right? First one. What is the first one? See, integration of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 whole dx. What is the problem? Once you read it, integration of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 whole dx. Okay, now see this problem. Exercise 6A, all of you write in your notes. Exercise 6A, Roman number 1, evaluate the following integrals. In that Roman number 1, first one. Right. Now separate the integration, that is integration of x cube into dx minus integration of 2x square dx plus integration of 3 into dx. That is integration of x cube dx, 2 constant send outside, minus 2 x square into dx. Here 3 also constant send outside, 3 into 1 dx. That is, now it is in the form of x power n. In place of n, what is there? 3. That is x power 3 plus 1, x power 4 divided by 4 minus 2 into x square. In place of n, what is there? 2. That is x power 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3 plus 3 of integration of 1 dx. What is the integration of 1 dx? X plus c. Integration of 1 dx is what? X plus c. Now what is the answer? X power 4 divided by 4 minus 2x cube divided by 3 plus 3x plus 4. Now this is the problem number 1. Next, second one. Integration of 2 into x root x. Integration of 2 into x root x. Second problem, same Roman number 1. This is the first problem. Second one is what? Integration of x into root x into dx. Now see the answer. What is the given integral? What is the given integral? Integration of 2 into x root x into dx. Here 2 is a constant, send outside. 2 integration of x root x into dx. That is 2 into, here x power 1, root means x power 1 by 2 into dx. Base are equal, then powers will be added. That means a power m into a power n equal to what? A power m plus n. By using this formula, it can be written as what? 2 into x power 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 3 by 2 into dx. How it is? It is in the form of x power n. In place of n, what is there? 3 by 2. Substitute. That is 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 3 by 2 plus 1 is how much? 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. That is 2 into denominator 5 by 2 can be written as what? 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. 2 into 2, 4. That is 4 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. That is the answer. What here? 2 into 2, 4. Here denominator 5 by 2. Its reciprocal is what? 2 by 5. That is 2 into 2, 4 divided by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. This is the first problem. This is second problem. Now note down these two problems. First problem and second problem. Okay, students, completed. Next, problem number 3. What is the problem number 3? Okay, next problem number 3. What is the problem number 3? Integration of cube root of 2x square into dx. What? See the problem in the textbook. Third problem is what? Integral of cube root of 2x square into dx. Now see, what is the given integral of cube root of 2x square into dx? Cube root means it can be written as 2x square whole power 1 by 3. Cube root means what? Whole power 1 by 3. That is, it is 2 power 1 by 3 and x power 2 by 3 into dx. 2 power 1 by 3 is a constant. 2 power 1 by 3 is a constant. Send outside. That is 2 power 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 into dx. Now how it is? It is in the form of x power n. It is in the form of what? X power n. That is 2 power 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c. 2 by 3 plus 1 is how much? Take LCM. 2 plus 3 5. 5 by 3, that is 2 power 1 by 3 x power 5 by 3. If we take LCM, 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 5 divided by 3. In the denominator also what? 5 by 3 plus c. That is, it can be written as 2 power 1 by 3 into 3 divided by 5 reverse into x power 5 by 3 plus c. This is the solution of what? Third one. Okay, 2 power 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 into x power 5 by 3 plus c, or it can be written as cube root of 2, like this. No problem. It is 2 power 1 by 3 or cube root of 2. Next, fourth one. Okay, first write down this problem number 3. Next, fourth problem. Integral of x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by 2x into dx. Okay, right? What is the given integral? X square plus 3x minus 1 divided by 2x into dx. Divide, separate. Integral of x square divided by 2x plus 3x divided by 2x minus 1 by 2x whole dx. Here 1x, x cancel. That is integration of x by 2 plus here x cancel. That is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x. What here? Separate, divide the separate here. X square by 2x plus 3x divided by 2x minus 1 divided by 2x. Here x cancel, in the denominator only 2 is there, in the numerator x is there, it is x by 2. Here both x are cancelled in the numerator and denominator, 3 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Now write the separate integration. Here 1 by 2 outside, constant 1 by 2 into x dx. Here 3 by 2 constant, 3 by 2 into 1 dx. Here 1 by 2 constant minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x dx. Now 1 by 2 into x power 1. Okay students, what? Integration. Now that is 1 by 2 into x integration what? X square by 2 plus 3 by 2 into 1 dx. 1 dx integration is what? X minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log mod x plus c. That is simplified. X square divided by 2 into 2, 4 plus 3x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 log mod x plus c. This is the answer. Right answer of fourth problem. What is the given integral? Integration of x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by 2x. Okay students, next fifth one. What is the fifth one? Integration of 1 minus root x divided by x into dx. Okay students, do this problem homework because it is very easy, similar to what your fourth problem. Okay, do this problem is homework. Next sixth one. Integration of 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square into dx. Do this problem also homework. These two problems are homework. Okay, these two are very easy. Just what are direct formulas. It is also formula, it is a formula, it is a formula. Here also formulas. Just you divide separate, you get the answer. It is similar to that is fourth problem. Okay, now seventh problem. Integration of x plus 4 divided by 1 plus x square over dx. What here? Seventh one is, see the textbook, seventh problem. Integration of x plus 4 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, this is important. This problem is important. Okay, now what is the answer? What is the given integral? X plus 4 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Now write the separate integration. It can be written as integration of x into dx. What here? It can be written as x into dx plus integration of 4 divided by 1 plus x square dx. That is integral of x dx. Here 4 constant send outside. 4 into 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now integration of x. What is the integration of x here? X square divided by 2, because here power is 1, that is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Therefore it is x square by 2 plus 4 into integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Can anybody say the answer? What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx? What here? Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is what? Tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. Here integration of x is what? X square by 2 plus 4 is constant. 4 into integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is what? Tan inverse x. It is the integration of what? Tan inverse x plus constant. Okay, this is the solution of what? Seventh one. You do fifth and sixth homework. I will check your notebooks. Compulsory you have to do these two problems, fifth and sixth one. Now write seventh one. Copy these two problems also. But here these are two homework problems. Okay, write seventh one. Write seventh one. Next problem is eighth one. Okay, this is completed. Seventh is completed. Okay, students. Now problem number 8. Integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 divided by under root x square minus 1 into dx. Once I will read the problem. What here? Integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 divided by under root x square minus 1 into dx. Okay, now what is the given integral? Integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 divided by under root x square minus 1 whole dx. Write the separate integration. Integration of e power x dx minus integration of 1 by x dx. Here we can write direct 2 outside because 2 is a constant here. 2 into integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx. E power x integration is what? E power x. E power x integration is what? E power x minus what is the integration of 1 by x? Log mod x plus 2 of integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1. What is the integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1? Say answer. Anybody? What is the integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx? What? Cos h inverse x plus c. What is the integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx? Its integration is what? Cos h inverse x plus c. Or we can write another formula also, log of x plus under root x square minus 1. We can write, okay, e power x integration what? E power x. 1 by x integration is what? Log mod x, here minus is there, plus 2 into 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx. Integration is what? Cos h inverse x. Or we can write another formula also. What is another formula? Here we can write this one, or e power x, these two are same, minus log mod x plus another formula is what? 2 into log of mod x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. 2 into log of x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. If we write this one is also correct or it is also correct, both are correct, we can write any one. We can, suppose in the exam, if you write this one, you get the full marks, no problem, you don't bother. If you write this one, you get the full marks because both formulas are correct. Integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx have what are two formulas. One is cos h inverse x, another one is log of x plus under root x square minus 1. See the problem here, this is total depend on only formulas, because e power x is the formula is there, 1 by x formula is there, 1 by under root x square minus 1 into dx is formula is there. If you know the formulas, this step you get this step, otherwise you can't get, because this step is depend on only formulas. If we know the integration of e power x, we can write here. If we know the integration of 1 by x, we can write here. If we know the integration of 1 by under root x square minus 1, we can write this step. Otherwise, we cannot write this last step. That's why you remember, you read the formulas. You read the formulas, or otherwise you by head the formulas. Because integration is depend on only formulas. If we know the formulas, this integration is very easy. Because see here one example, this total step is depend on only formulas, these two steps. Okay students, remind what here, read the formulas, by head the formulas, and also you have to once revise the differentiation formulas. Because integration is nothing but what here, reverse process of the differentiation. If you know the differentiation formulas, integration is very easy. Okay, this 8th problem is completed students. 8th is completed. Next one is 9th problem. Next 9th problem. Okay, 8th completed students. Next 9th one. What is the 9th one? Integral of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx. All of you write. Once I will read the problem. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, now see this problem. What is the given? Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx. Now separate integration. 1 by 1 minus x square into dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. What is the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx? What is the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx? The integration of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx is what? Tan h inverse x plus 1 by integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. What is integration of 1 by 1 minus x square is what? Tan h inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x plus c. See here, this problem also depend on formulas. Here what here? This last step is what? If you know the formula, you can write this step. Here also, if you know the formula, you can write this step. That's why students, compulsory you have to by heart the formulas, read the formulas and remember the formulas. Okay? And this problem also important. This problem also what? Important. This is the 9th problem. Okay, students, completed. Listen, students, in these problems, if you have any doubt, you contact my number. What are my contact number is 8121326295. This is my cell number. You contact to this cell number. It is my cell number 8121326295. Okay. Right. Okay, students. Bye. Completed.